Okay, now we're moving on to our next spot in carpet care, and we are talking about water stains. Now, if you have synthetic fiber carpet, which is the most common, it's easiest to treat. If you have natural fibers, then if it gets stained, it's a process called cellulosic browning, and you'll need a professional carpet care technician to come out and assess it and possibly have to replace the carpet. But if you have the synthetic fibers like nylon or polypropylene, I've mixed a solution of half vinegar and half water, just room temperature water. And it's a bit easier to get out if it's synthetic fibers, so you just want to douse the area, but you don't want to blot, you want to gently rub it to keep the stain at the top of the fibers. You use vinegar because vinegar is acidic, and it will neutralize the alkalinity of the sediment that's making the water stain. Now, once you do that, the stain will probably disappear immediately because it's a water stain. So you want to allow it to dry for a while, an hour or so. And if you come back and the stain has reappeared, you can just repeat the process. But make sure that you allow it to dry each time prior to repeating the process. And that will, if you have synthetic fibers, in all likelihood, erase the stain from the fibers. And that's how you remove water stains from carpets.